Hello, and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to update the Netflix application on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get into the video. We're going to head over to the dashboard right now, and I'm going to move to quick settings. So from quick settings, navigate up to all settings. This is a route we're taking to the Google Play Store. So we'll go to the Google Play Store. I could just click here because it's recommended. I've accessed the app multiple times, but in your case, you may be accessing this for the first time, and you have to go to see our apps. Google Play Store is way down at the bottom. You go to Show System Apps. It's actually in the System Apps category. So just scroll down until alphabetically reach G. So this is C. It's alphabetically denoted D, E, F. This is G. So Google Play Store right here. So click on that and click on Open to get into the app. Now when you're in the application, just go to the top panel and go to Search. Now I'm going to search for the Netflix app. Netflix. And searching it, you could type with a keyboard as well. Open the application, you can see that I have it already downloaded. So now I'm just going to click on the update button, and I'm going to be patient for a couple of seconds because this is a two-step process. The app is going to download the update and then install the update to the Google TV. So just be patient and wait for that to complete. At this point, the download of the update is up 82%. I'm just waiting for it to complete, and now I'm expecting an automatic process to begin installing the application. So the application is being installed. I'm just being patient, waiting for it to be completed. And if your application is up to date, you can find an uninstall button and an open button. So clicking on open, I have the application opened up and I can start streaming with Netflix. So if you found that insightful, smash that subscribe button, like the video, drop a comment with your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next video.